Welcome to The Mysterious Abyss, Journey into the Enigma of Black Holes. A black hole is one of the most fascinating cosmic phenomena that continues to baffle scientists and astronomers. Picture a massive collapsed star, so dense that its gravity becomes overwhelmingly powerful. It's like a vacuum cleaner in space, sucking in everything that comes near it, even light itself. The event horizon, the point of no return, is where things take a turn for the mysterious. Once an object crosses this boundary, it's gone forever. Lost in the black hole's gravitational grip. But what happens inside a black hole? The laws of physics break down here. Matter is crushed into unimaginable density. Time slows down, and the fabric of space itself is stretched and twisted. Scientists believe that at the heart of every black hole lies a singularity, a point of infinite density. It's a place where our current understanding of the universe fails, a true enigma. Black holes come in various sizes, from stellar black holes that form when massive stars collapse, to supermassive black holes that reside at the centers of galaxies, millions or even billions of times more massive than our Sun. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong that it can even distort the path of light around it, creating a phenomenon called gravitational lensing. While black holes may seem like cosmic devourers, they play a vital role in the universe. They shape galaxies, and their intense energy can birth new stars and trigger the formation of entire solar systems. Although we've made significant progress in unraveling the secrets of black holes, there is still much more to explore and understand. These celestial wonders continue to captivate our imagination and push the boundaries of our knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the enigma of black holes. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating explorations of the cosmos. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.